Vanilla is one of the most common ingredients used in baking, and it plays a huge role in achieving the desired flavor of your desserts. Buying vanilla extract can be expensive. Fortunately, there are ways on how to make vanilla extract in the comfort of your own home. This post will go through everything you need to know to make your own vanilla, and show you how easy it is to prepare it. The importance of vanilla extract. Though it may not taste great on its own, and you may think the small amount of vanilla extract your recipe calls for won't make a difference, but when added into recipes it brings out a delicious flavor. Other uses for vanilla extract. Though vanilla extract is great for baking, there are also other ways you can use it. It is a great household freshener, and in the fridge. You can simply take a sponge that has been dipped in vanilla and place it in your fridge. Vanilla extract also works to keep bugs away and help soothe minor burns. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to 1 cup of water. What you will need for this tutorial. Ingredients: vanilla beans, vodka, glass jar or bottle with lid. You should make sure not to get flavored alcohol, as it will change the taste of the vanilla. When making vanilla extract, it is best to follow the ratio of 6 vanilla beans per 8 ounces of alcohol. This ratio gives the vanilla the perfect flavoring. Make sure that you have a container with a lid that is large enough to hold the vanilla beans and alcohol. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Cut the vanilla beans. Take your vanilla beans and cut them down the middle lengthwise. This will allow you to get the most flavor. If needed, cut the beans down in height to fit in your jar. Step 2. Put the vanilla in the jar. In a clean and empty jar, place your vanilla pieces. Step 3. Adding the alcohol. Fill the container with alcohol. Close the jar tightly and shake up the mix. Step 4. Storage. Store your vanilla extract mix in a cool, dark place. It is best to give it a shake at least once a week to help mix it up. It is recommended to store the vanilla extract for at least 2 months before use. However, you may try to use some after a month to see if it is strong enough. The longer it sits, the stronger the flavor gets. Alcohol alternatives. Instead of using vodka, you may also use rum or bourbon. However, it will have a different taste. You can also make multiple batches using vodka, bourbon and rum, then compare them to see which vanilla you like best. Whatever alcohol you are using, make sure it has an alcohol content of at least 35%. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.